AudioLink has an indicator light at the top right corner. A pulsing green light indicates that AudioLink is switched on and in standby mode. A pulsing orange light indicates that AudioLink is switched on and is in standby mode, but that the battery is low and will need charging soon. A permanent orange light shows that AudioLink is currently charging. A permanent green light shows that AudioLink is fully charged and ready to use. A fast blinking Bluetooth symbol shows that AudioLink is in Bluetooth pairing mode and ready to be paired with a Bluetooth device, such as a phone. A slow pulsing Bluetooth symbol indicates that AudioLink has an active connection with the Bluetooth device. The connection symbols will light up indicating that AudioLink is successfully paired with your audio processors. A slow pulsing connection symbol indicates that AudioLink is streaming to the corresponding audio processors. If your audio processor has switched off, for example, due to low battery, a fast pulsing connection symbol on one or both sides will be shown. If the Bluetooth and connection symbols all blink together, you have an incoming phone call. Press the main button once to accept the call, or press and hold the main button for 2 seconds to reject the call. An illuminated mic button indicates that AudioLink is streaming sound from its remote microphone. An illuminated mix button indicates that you are hearing a mixed input from AudioLink and your audio processor microphones. By pressing the button, the light will disappear, and you will only hear sound from AudioLink.